Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Depending on which refrigerator shelf support you're replacing, you will need to fully remove the snack drawer and crisper drawer, or the crisper drawer and meat drawer. Carefully remove the glass from the crisper shelf frame, if applicable. Lift out the appropriate shelf. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the screws securing the shelf support to the liner. Install the new support by positioning it on the liner and threading the screw. Reposition the shelf. Set the glass in the crisper shelf frame, if applicable. Reinstall the drawers.